Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Razer keyboard to Mac instant fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Razer keyboard is powered on. Locate the USB cable that came with your keyboard. Connect the USB end to an available port on your Mac. If your keyboard is wireless, make sure the dongle is securely plugged into a USB port. Turn on your keyboard if it has a power switch. Press any key on your keyboard to wake it. Your Mac should automatically recognize the keyboard. If it doesn't, wait a moment and then try disconnecting and reconnecting the USB cable. If you are using a wireless connection, ensure the dongle is properly recognized by your Mac. Open the System Preferences on your Mac. Select Keyboard from the available options. In the keyboard settings, verify if your Razer keyboard appears in the list. If it does not show up, try using a different USB port. Sometimes, a simple restart of your Mac can resolve connection issues. Press the Apple logo in the top left corner and select Restart. After your Mac restarts, press any key on the keyboard again. If your keyboard is still not recognized, check if any software is required for setup. Visit the Razer support website to download and install the necessary drivers or software. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the software is installed, reconnect your keyboard. Test the keys to ensure they are functioning properly. You should now be able to enjoy seamless typing with your Razer keyboard on your Mac. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Razer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.